And for today, we are, kung makikita niyo yung captions natin ngayon, siguro ito na yung magiging program natin for this afternoon, tuwing 1:00 ng hapon. Makikinig niyo ang Confessions with Kuya Carl. Ito natin makikinig, mababasa ang mga confessions ng mga tao na hindi nila kayang sabihin ng harapan. Napakagandang tanghali sa inyong lahat. Napakaganda ng panahon. Medyo mainit lang. Sa mga bumabiyahe po sa atin ngayon, magandang hapon po sa inyo. Sana po kayo ay nakakain na sa ngayong tanghalian. At ngayon po ay yung iba po sa atin na biyahe pa, naghahatid sa kanilang mga anak. Pero ito pong ating makikinig ngayon ay napakabigat na kwento, na napakaikli lang na letter na binigay sa atin. Na nakita natin dito sa Reddit post ng Pinoy Unsent Letters. Galing kay Connect Fact 1573. Ito ay, siguro ito yung mga time na pwede nating maisip kung ito yung pinaghahandaan na natin yung mga mabibigat na mangyayari sa ating mga buhay. At isa nga ito sa mga confessions na gagawin niya dito sa 96.7 Destiny Radio. Dito sa kanyang Reddit post. Ito ay nilaan niya para sa kanyang significant other. And this is entitled, An Advanced Sorry for the Both of Us. Sabi niya po sa kanyang post, I am sorry for what I am about to do. I really don't want to leave you or leave us. But there are some things that you need to fix on your own that I believe I can no longer help with you. Because even though those instances are rare, I've come to realize that I'm becoming a shell of myself the longer that I stay. Dagdag pa niya, I don't believe in cool-offs in relationships. I don't want to look at it this way, but I'm also leaving my doors open for any possibilities. And I hope you are too. I am also leaving because I feel that that might be my final act of love to push you into becoming your full potential. I love you so much. Mahal na mahal kita. You're the only one I love like this. In the end, I hope and pray, if God allows and if the timing's right, and we are both healed, that it's you. Once again, sabi niya dito sa huli, in the end, I hope and pray, if God allows and if the timing's right, and we are both healed, that it's you. Once again, that's a Reddit post by Connect Fact 1573. Nagsusori na kaagad siya sa kanyang partner, sa kanyang significant other. And he thinks na ito lang yung way kung paano ma-push yung ating mga partners to become their full potential. Naranasan nyo na ba yun, mga ka-Destiny? Na feeling nyo kayo yung nagiging burden para pigilan ang taong significant other mo na mag-grow to their full potential. Nafe-feel nyo ba yun na parang kayo ang nagiging hadlang sa kanyang ikabubuti sa buhay? And the only thing that you want to do, the only thing that yung nakikita mong tamang gawin, ay ang iwan siya para makaharap na niya ang kanyang pagsubok na pinagdaraanan. Actually, this post was created 3 hours ago. Grabe, fresh lang. Kung mapapansin natin, meron nga talagang mga situations na gano'n na tayo ay parang we are bound to other relationship that keeps us from growing. Pero sinabi niya dito, but I'm also leaving my doors open for any possibilities and I hope that you are too. Ito nga lang yung pinaka-risk na gagawin natin na pag ginawa natin yun. Kasi ayaw daw niya mag-cool off. And ito yung risking gagawin natin sa ating relationship. Is to leave the relationship and hopefully it can go back and come together in the future. Pero syempre, leaving the relationship can mean that you are leaving a bad memory. Not only to yourself, but to also your partner. Actually, there can be instances na pwede niyo naman pag-usapan ito. At alam na, pero meron din mga times, hindi niya nabanggit dito kung yung pinagdadaanan ng partner niya. It becomes hard for us, especially when we see the responsibilities and the future things na pagdadaanan ng ating mga partner na alam natin na hindi tayo makakatulong, kundi tayo lang yung makakahadlang sa kanila. And leaving might be the best thing. Pero syempre, leaving is leaving naman, di ba? If you feel like doing the same thing to your partner, kung kayo man ay nagaganito, why not communicate? Why not be there for your partner? Be the person that he or she can be with in the relationship. Sabi niya dito, I've come to realize that I'm becoming a shell of myself that the longer that I stay. Some people are like that naman sa ating buhay. We tend to give a lot to the relationship that sa sobrang dami ng binibigay natin sa sarili nila, nauubos din tayo. And it can be very hard for everyone to realize that. Especially pag na-realize din to ng partner mo. Magkakaroon ng guilt, ng regrets, na mahirap tanggalin all throughout. Sabi niya dito, you're the only one I love like this. Yan. Pero hoping pa rin siya that one day they can be back together. In this statement na sinabi niya, pero mahirap na, hindi natin alam ang mangyayari sa hinaharap. Kaya kung kayo mga ka-destiny natin dyan nakikinig, itong mga ganitong mga confessions, ito yung mga ganitong mga unsent letters, is a sign that sometimes we can't communicate everything to our partners. Sometimes we can't say the things because it's hard and it can lead to a very hurtful conversation. A very hard conversation. Pero the thing is kailangan talaga nating mag-usap para maayos yung mga ganitong bagay. Maybe not right now, but maybe leaving the relationship isn't the option. It isn't the only option. Maybe you just need time by yourselves so you can contribute to the growth of yourselves and you can come back together. Kasi diba talagang napakahirap na mga ganitong sitwasyon. Hopefully, in time, masabi na rin ito ni ating user kung ano yung gusto niya sabihin sa kanyang partner. Sana makapag-sorry siya ng harapan. And that's when we realize talaga na sometimes things come to an end. Some things need to come to an end for some things to grow. Kaya naman mga ka-Destiny, sana sa mga nakikinig po sa atin dyan, sana the more na nakikinig kayo dito sa programa nating itong confessions na ito, sana ma-realize nyo na magandang magsabi na rin din sa inyong mga partners. Although it might be hard for us to say those things to our partner, the hard things that we can say to our partner, maybe that's the only way for it to be understood. Kaya naman, sa mga nakikinig po sa atin dyan, sana ay magandang araw nyo. Sana naman hindi namin kayo pinalungkot sa araw na ito. Sa mga nakikinig po sa atin dyan, sa mga nakikinig po sa ating live, hello po, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. At yun lang po, sa ngayon, if you have more confessions you can or more unsent letters that you want to send to your significant other or the people that you want to say those things to, na mapag-uusapan natin ng malumanay na paraan. Gusto nyo ipakinig sa kanila, maybe this is the program for you. You can send me a message in our Facebook page and also our TikTok live in our TikTok page. Lagyan nyo na lang ng message or header na Confessions with Kuya Carl. At yun lang po, maraming salamat po sa mga nakikinig po sa atin ngayon. So nag-e-enjoy pa rin kayo sa napakagandang music ng 96.7 Destiny Radio. And hopefully the next time, itong mga confessions na ito, kaya nyo nang sabihin directly to your special someone. Ito nga pala ang inyong ultimate kuya, na si Kuya Carl. Ito lang yan sa 96.7 Destiny Radio. At iwan muna namin kayo ng kanta. From Aiza Sigera. This is Pakisabi na lang.